KJDSTA Deficit School Teachers Association neka KJDSTA Mawkyrwat Zone kan sepelong ya ke jengilang neka general meeting Mawkyrwat Dorbar Hall Southwest Kasil District ha ke telong kubuan bala pelat lingba ubabu WL Snaitang ubadi president jangka KJDSTA Deficit School Teachers Association jangka Mawkyrwat Zone ula pentem baka jingelang jong ke jingya kandu jong ki noi kai kan long ha ka arpo terek unai lur arzar pesan ha ka por kat we beje thik Mawkyrwat Dorbar Hall namar kata ula kerpan ya baro ki noi kai ki dukhat bat ki principal jong ki school bakin sngo baha banwan shim benta ha ka ni ka sngi ha ka ba kin dan lai tli ki kam ban yo ekran bat yo jing penshan
Pi baro bapak juga nasional, nak kelang negara, kalau presiden juga kasih janji Deficit School Teachers Association, juga Southwest Kasil District, ngai kan negara jeng penting, baka KJDSTA Mawkyrwat Zone, kebakan topi teliti blok, ke Mawkyrwat berkerani kor blok, bangindon ke general meeting jong kino hikai. Kini hikai keban kentrop nado kino hikai jengka lower primary hadu higher secondary school. Kini ke general meeting kan long ka arpo terik jumul tau benai September keban sedang nado kat webejen step haka Mawkyrwat Dorbar Hall. Di hari ni ka general meeting ni dan light likikan keba kongsan begini keren. Kawai keba kongsan kalong banyathu iaka nongrem baka association ka yen haka jinga day bat ka MEG ka meklia education grants ka baar pat bat ai ka jinga thu bat ka jing pensyai ka baya day bat ka centralized provident fund ka badang ya side menta ka ba ngi barok ki school deficit ngidang up ya ka result bat ka balai ka long banginyo ya ka ban reconstitute ya ke executive committee jangka zonal body di lomba kini ka kerwa na khotso bai pi baro ki nohikai ka bakan thup na do ki nohikai bat ki principal ki headmaster mapin subha banwan sa ka take meeting ka jingdon ka jongpi ka jingsi mata ka jongpi kan penlong yangi bangila ban pendat ya ka katkum ka jingthu ka bangla pa he khulai sibon sim magani kalong ka jing khat nam ta jong ki baro ki no hi kai school deficit ki bahap po ka Southwest Kasil District khulai sibon. I on behalf of the KJDSTA Deficit School Teachers Association of Mawkyrwat Zones that include the schools within the Ranikor and Mawkyrwat block inform you that the general meeting of the association will be held on the 20th of this month, that is September, at Mawkyrwat Dorbar Hall at 11 a.m. sharp. We have three main agenda. The first agenda is to let you know of the stance of the association with regard to Meklia education grants. The agenda number 2 is to give you information on the provincialized provident funds that is still going on. And the third agenda is to reconstitute the executive committee of the zonal body. So I request all the teachers of deficit school teachers that include teachers of lower primary up to higher secondary schools of Southwest Kasil District to definitely attend the meeting, and your presence will help us so that we can fulfill the agenda as we have already intended to do so. So thank you to each one of you, and I hope we will get a positive response from your side. Thank you.